Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and we've got one more haul of Michael's grab bags, you guys. So I don't know if they all have different things, but I ended up going ahead and breaking my rule to not get Halloween stuff. This looks like it's going to be Halloween or fall, but I saw the science thing through here, and I'm like, $5. I think I need to check that out for my grandkids. I also got this little teeny bag of stuff. I got another bag here which looks like flowers, which I needed to buy flowers anyways. And then this is a humongous heavy bag, and it looks like it has some wood stuff in there. So let's go ahead and open these up. I have not found any Christmas at all. So does that mean we need to be on the lookout for the Christmas ones? Yeah, I do. All right, let's see what we've got here. We have foam stickers to make all kinds of foam sticker stuff. That is a $4.99 bag right there. Oh, this has some Dia de los Muertos stuff in here, just fabric making to make that little kit. I don't know, we'll see what we do with that. Here is another something. This is a sugar skull craft box. So there's that one. So I guess it wasn't Halloween, but close. Here we go. Color in Pumpkin Craft Kit, $7.99. I must say, there might be reasons why some of this stuff doesn't sell. I don't know. Maybe I'm just cheap. This is a Tombstone Craft Kit. I don't know if this will last until next Halloween. These will. More stickers. Another pumpkin. More stickers. See, this is what happens sometimes. You get like so many of all this stuff that, yeah, do you really need it, or are you just going to store it? And I don't know, maybe I'll have to do some giveaways. But this is what I was looking for. And yep, it was originally $19.99, clearance down to $14.99. And it is a science project. It has 3 science projects on there. And I think this would be nice for my grandsons. So there's instructions, glowing crystals, glowing cloud slime gloop, and glow in the dark power balls. So that is fun. Ages 12 and up. So I don't know. Sometimes you find these things and they might make a good Christmas gift for your, or birthday gift for your gift closet. Do you guys have a gift closet? Let me know. Oh, this has a bag inside a bag. So we cut open the first bag. Now look at that little bag. It just looks like it's got lots of fun in there, and I love grab bags. They're so fun. Half the time. So I don't know if you remember, but back in the day, the ice cream truck used to come around, and they had little grab bags, and it was only about this big. And you could buy a grab bag, and it would have all these different things in there, little toys and stuff like that. And I always got the grab bag, and I always ended up so disappointed with the stuff that came in, but every time I'd go back and get it again. So first thing I'm picking up, this is felt stickers, $5.49. So spending $5, and I do use stickers often. So there's that. Getting ready for Mardi Gras. A little $3.50 mask there. Oh, this enough. Just this right there, a little football. This is wired yarn. $3.99 for wired yarn. Again, that might be the cheapo in me. These were marked down, originally $3.99, but one was missing, so they marked it down to 99 cents, and still nobody bought it. So I don't know, that'll go in my jewelry making kit. We've got tons of letters. We've got, let's see, what do we have? We have a Y, and these are $1.79 each. An X, a couple Z's. Here's a U, another X. This looks like it's going to be a Q. Another Z. An F. I'm going to put this one down and get another F. And here is, oh, this is a Q. So what, this must be an O. That is an O, not a Q. Here's the U. I had that one with the F, and I was not going to show you that right after the F. But I do have a Y. What is this one? What is that? Is that an I? I don't know what this is. Well, we're going to go with an I. Another Z, a V. We've got, oh, we've got a P, a U, another U, another Y, another Z, and an X. So tons of letters. Tons of letters. Was that one worth it? I like these. That's probably my best one so far. And let's go. I'll definitely be putting these little letters on my little Etsy shop. $2.79 for a Z. So, okay, this is the last bag, and I know exactly what's in here, but I don't know what kind. But they are flowers. Let's see what kind. And we'll open up this humongous bag of flowers. I don't want to poke myself. I have a Valentine's gift that I want to make, and I needed flowers, and it looked like those flowers were a kind of pink color. So as long as they aren't, oh, totally worth it. Look at these flowers. Beautiful. There's some in yellow. These are marked at $1.99 a piece. And we've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So just that is $20 worth of flowers right there. These are the ones. Look at those. Yes, this is what I kind of saw. That I saw some like kind of burgundy-ish. I was hoping they weren't Christmas, and they are not. Just that bouquet was $12.99 for this bouquet. I'm telling you, sometimes you can find some great deals. Some more little yellow flowers here. So I'll definitely, oh, some more of these. Woohoo! Definitely going to be doing my DIY sooner rather than later, because I was like, I have to go down to the Dollar Tree and pick up some more flowers. But now I don't know that I have to. And oh, I definitely don't have to. But with all these, how beautiful would this make into like some wreaths for the front door? So pretty. And then this last one here. What were those? $12.99 each bouquet. And then there's these little guys. And there's 2 of them. Look how big they are. So pretty. So very pretty. And how much were these each? $9.99 each. So definitely worth it, you guys. You have to scour around through some of it because I saw a ton at that final one with these guys in it. So there you go. I'm not going anymore. I cannot keep going. And $5 a pop is nice, but when I think I've gotten what I got 3 the first round, 3 the second round, and 4 this time. So 11. That's $55. Did I get more than $55 worth of stuff? I believe I did, definitely. And I think it was worth it, and I am happy, but I am now going to be done with this one. I will keep an eye out for the Christmas. So hopefully I can see when those come out, and I'll let you know. I did post it on my TikTok and on Instagram in case, just so I got the word out saying that, hey, go down to Michael's. Hopefully you got those. If you're not following me on Instagram or TikTok, it is Beauty and the Stamper, so check it out. All right, please give me a big thumbs up if you like these type of hauls and want to see more, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out at all. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.